Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Thanks for joining me here again at Daily Doodles. And today we are going to draw Parker from Middlemost Post. So I've never seen this show before, but it looks like a really funny, silly show. Definitely something I feel like I should check out. But before we get started drawing today, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know something that you would like to learn how to draw. Also, it would be great if you would leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. That would be awesome as well. Okay, so let's get started drawing Parker. I'm going to start with an eye. He's got two giant oval eyes. One big oval and another. All right, so now we're going to do smaller ovals inside. One and two. And now around right here and right here, we're going to do two little lines like that. And up above the eyes, we're going to do little eyebrows. Like that. And color them in all dark. Okay, next let's do the smile. So I'm going to do an oval right here and one right here. And then we can do a great big smile. And then we've got three little teeth and they're just like U's, like the letter U. All right, so now let's do the top of the head. Got one little floof like that and another that's a bit bigger. And then we can kind of do the head shape, and it's a little bit wavy because he's a cloud. And going down this way. And now let's do the side of the face. And the bottom. Like that. And now he's got a little body compared to how big his head is. So let's do an arm. Bring down two lines for the arm. And then got 1, 2, 3 fingers and a thumb. And now let's do the body, a little curve here. And let's do another hand. So bring down a line, and then we can do the thumb here. And now we got another little line right here, and we can do 1, 2, 3 fingers, and now we need legs. So 1, 2, 3 lines, and we can do a big foot here and a big foot here. And now his shirt needs some stripes. So we can do one, and these aren't going to be like perfectly straight. They're going to be kind of, see, this one's kind of going up this way. Okay, another one like that. And like that. All right, so I am now going to get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.